But there is a weather impact alert in place for southern Iowa from late tonight going into Sunday. Heavy snow is going to be possible, so you want to avoid driving or traveling down in the southern part of the state. If you do have to drive, be very careful because we are going to be seeing dangerous traveling conditions down there because of how much snow they are going to be receiving. So taking a closer look at some of those counties under the winter storm warning, you can see that it includes Centerville and Lamoni down there. And then you have that winter weather advisory for Creston, Osceola, and Russell. So there are going to be some of us that will get to see a bit of this winter storm coming through. Not everyone gets to see it, but if you are in these counties down here, get ready for some winter weather. Now, there is some things that we know and things that we don't know with this storm. We know it's going to cause some heavy snow down south. We know it's going to be cold and breezy, and there's also going to be a very sharp cutoff point on who sees snow and who doesn't see snow. What we don't know for sure is how far north this snow is going to be traveling, because there is some dry air that is moving in that won't allow us all to be seeing this snow. So as we go through Futurecast going around 1 a.m. going into Sunday morning, as we go more into Sunday, it looks like it clears out a little bit, but then as we go more into Sunday, that's when it really starts to arrive. Now, it looks like it does go into central Iowa. Like I said, there is some dry air moving through that's going to keep a lot of this up in the clouds. A lot of us in central Iowa will not even see a snowflake in the sky potentially from this dry air. It'll mainly be staying south. Sticks with us throughout the entire day on Sunday, and then it will be moving out as we go into Monday. But southern Iowa, get ready for some snow because we are looking at seeing maybe 5 to 12 inches of snow for some of those counties down there. You can see the further north you go, the less chance for us to see snow because of that drier air that is going to be keeping some of that snow up in the clouds. Now, as far as those temperatures go, very cold, very well below average for this time of year. We keep the teens and low 20s going through the next few days. In fact, that wind chill is even going to be colder going into Sunday and Monday in those morning hours. It's going to feel below zero because of how cold it is, and things turn breezy on Sunday, making it feel below zero for most of the day. So if you have to be outside anywhere within the state on Sunday, make sure you bundle up. Taking a look at that satellite and radar, it looks like there is some snow across the state. There is some dry air keeping some of this from reaching the ground, but down in southern Iowa, you are more likely to be seeing those snowflakes start to come across the sky there. Right now, 16 degrees. Feels like 3 degrees because things are turning a little bit on the breezy side. We're seeing more of those teens out there. Some of us already feel below zero, so it is turning really cold as we are going into tonight a little bit more. Tonight we're getting down to about 12 degrees. That snow is going to be starting south. Those wind chills are going to start to get below zero, and then tomorrow 16 degrees for the high. It's going to be cold. It's also going to be breezy, so it's not going to feel like 16 degrees throughout the entire day. Next 7 days, you can see that there is a slow warm up to those upper 20s. We do hit those 30s going into next Sunday, so next weekend's going to feel pretty nice compared to this weekend. And we are going to be turning a little bit drier after Sunday, but things are still going to be pretty cloudy. So we won't get to enjoy that sun very much, but at least we'll get those 30s by next weekend.
And it's amazing how great 30s feels in the wintertime. You know, any other season it's horrible, but in the wintertime it's like chef's kiss, right?
It feels almost like a heat wave.
Exactly.